How's it going, Star Wars fans? Welcome back to the channel, the Worthington Cantina. In today's episode of Cantina Collection, we're diving into the Star Wars Power of the Force collection. We've got a couple of triple packs to open today. I'm unboxing some of the most iconic sets from this 90s collection, featuring figures like Han Solo, Luke Skywalker, Chewbacca, and more. We'll take a closer look at these awesome figures, their unique packaging, and what makes these triple packs such a must-have for Power of the Force collectors. This is episode number 21, so grab your lightsabers, sit back, and let's jump into the blast from the past. May the Force be with you guys. So first up here today, we have got the Cantina Showdown from Star Wars Episode 4, A New Hope, from the Power of the Force collection. This one features Ponda Baba, the aggressive Aqualish, who gets his arm blasted off by Han Solo during the Cantina confrontation. Dr. Evazan, I think is how you pronounce it, Ponda Baba's partner in crime, who is known for his menacing attitude and his line, "I have the death sentence on 12 systems." Han Solo, as seen in the Cantina, ready for action. Obi-Wan Kenobi. I don't know why I keep getting them mixed up. Like other Power of the Force figures, the set boasts the exaggerated muscular sculpting of the figures, which was a signature feature of the line. Any Star Wars collector recognizes these muscular buff figures. The Cantina Showdown pack was a hit with fans and collectors, offering an iconic moment from the film with a great attention to detail in the figures and packaging. So as with many Star Wars toys, the Power of the Force figures have become highly collectible over time. limited edition variants or rare figures like certain versions of Darth Vader or specific packs like this are very highly sought after in the collector's market, making these figures not just toys but valuable pieces of Star Wars history. Next up here, in this lot of 3 that I purchased, we have purchase of the droids. This one features Uncle Owen, C-3PO, and Luke Skywalker. This is, of course, the scene in which Uncle Owen and Luke Skywalker are looking to purchase some droids from the Jawas, and they end up purchasing C-3PO and R2-D2 in Star Wars Episode 4, New Hope. When it comes to Star Wars toys, R2-D2 and C-3PO are 2 of the most iconic and beloved characters, and their figures have been part of Star Wars merchandise almost from the beginning of Star Wars history. These droids were included in the earliest Star Wars toy lines from Kenner, with R2-D2's spinning head and C-3PO's shiny gold-plated body, making them stand out as instantly recognizable. For the Power of the Force collection, the droids were released as part of the larger wave of action figures. These figures represented the characters as they appeared in the original trilogy. Fans of all ages were excited to see them represented with more modern, detailed sculpts, while R2-D2 typically featured a new action feature, like a retractable third leg or a pop-up saber in certain versions. C-3PO was often more straightforward and designed with a focus on his intricate detailing and accurate gold finish. So in this Power of the Force collection, prices vary quite a bit depending on what you are looking to buy. Standard Power of the Force figures that are in good condition but are not rare or limited editions can typically range from $5 to $15 depending on the character and its condition. Rare figures of rare value or mint condition can go anywhere between $20 to $100 or more depending on the rarity and market demand. High-end figures can go all the way up to $200 and beyond. And last but not least, we have the Death Star Escape Pack from the Star Wars Power of the Force collection. This one features Han Solo, Luke Skywalker, and their stormtrooper disguises, and Chewbacca, inspired by their escape from the Death Star in A New Hope. This one was released, I believe, in 1997. These figures come with various accessories, including blasters, and they are designed to reflect the iconic scene where the trio frees Princess Leia and makes their daring escape off the Death Star. Power of the Force line was known for its muscular figure designs, and this set was a popular item for collectors, particularly for fans of the original trilogy. And the packaging from this Death Star Escape Pack has that iconic Power of the Force collection packaging, just as these other ones do as well. Adds to the set's appeal for collectors, and features a vivid, colorful backdrop showcasing a scene reminiscent of the moment when Han, Luke, and Chewie make their escape from the Death Star. The front of the packaging typically highlights the figures in action poses with a clear plastic blister bubble that holds the 3 figures securely on these triple packs. Additionally, the packaging includes a brief description of the figures and the scene they represent, adding a bit of storytelling to the display. Artwork is vibrant and the figures are shown in a dynamic, heroic light, which was typical of the Power of the Force line. The package's design made it stand out on shelves and became a prized item for collectors who sought to keep the set in its original unopened condition. Any Star Wars collector really is going to recognize these Power of the Force packaging. And that's a wrap on today's unboxing of the Star Wars Power of the Force triple backs unboxing. These figures really bring back the nostalgia for me and give us a glimpse into the heart of the 90s Star Wars toy line. Whether you're a longtime collector or just starting to explore, these packs are a great addition to any collection. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxings, reviews, and all things Star Wars. Let me know in the comments which figure from today's unboxing was your favorite. Until next time, may the Force be with you guys.